So nandito tayo today syempre sa Bucon with our Relumens booth. User ka talaga ng Relumens. Nalo siya sa ayaw at sa gusto niya.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Stacy, the beautiful celebrity, Miss Francine Garcia, and it's
So Relumens is a skincare brand. We have skincare, glutathione, collagen.
And we also accept distributors, resellers.
Way back 2017, nag-resell ako ng Relumens.
Fan ako ng mga gluta capsules. And nakakatuwa lang kasi FDA approved na din siya.
What is your favorite product from Relumens?
Luminous po. Actually, gamit ko na siya since 2020.
You've been using Relumens, as you've said. So how long have you been using it?
I'm using it for 3 years.
It's our first time joining the Bucon, so yung team namin are so happy. Sa lahat ng mga bumisita sa booth namin, thank you so much.
How did you know about Relumens?
Follower ako ng mga
So sa lahat ng mga followers all over the world, maraming pong salamat.